Hey y'all, what's up y'all? It's your girl Brianca and your boy Gills. Shut it. We are the Gills. And this is our YouTube. And y'all know what to do. Hey, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hey, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. What up, YouTube friends and family?
You better flow, babe.
Oh, I know how to do it on the camera.
You better flow. What up, y'all? It's your girl, Bria.
And it's your boy, D. Gill.
We are the Gills.
Gills.
And today we are in Chicago.
Yeah. Chicago.
We are going to see Chris Brown.
Christopher Maurice.
Period. It is up and it is stuck tonight. I am excited. We also had to make a little pit stop to eat. You know, we a little lit.
Hold on. Side note, sorry. And Lil Baby.
Oh, and Lil Baby. You right.
It's Chris Brown and Lil Baby, their tour.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit. So we in Chicago, and of course, we had to stop at one of my places that I love so much, Checkers. One of my childhood places that we would go eat growing up. So we got Checkers, got some fries. We got number one, it's a big beautiful burger. Let me show y'all real quick because I'm about to cut this off real quick so we can eat and we gotta go.
I got a number 2. So when she show you 1, I'll show you 2.
Okay, that's double meat. It's only right.
Yep.
It's only right.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got number 2. It's the same, but with bacon. Go crazy, go crazy, go crazy, baby. Go crazy, baby.
Fire. Let's be fire, baby.
With the bacon drippings, you feel me? It's legit. Got the bacon drippings in it.
We're matching. Looking cute, trying to eat cute. Because we're literally in like a cream light color. Matching our melanin. How was it, babe?
With that being said, y'all, this fire.
It's good. With that being said, like he said, it is your girl Bria.
And it's your boy D. Gill.
We are the Gills.
Gills.
Bye, guys.
2 up, 2 down.
Hey, and be on the lookout for them Gills. For them Gills. For them Gills. Be on the lookout for them Gills. Cause they coming live to you soon.
Check it out. Hey.
Coming live to you soon.
Check it out. Hey.
Coming live to you soon.
Check it out. Hey. What you say?
What you say?